Welcome to the Wisdom for Our Days channel. I am Theron, your personal guide. Come, stay comfortable and enjoy this journey with me. 6 Practices for Ideal Sleep. Part 1. In this video, we will address the nighttime routine of Marcus Aurelius, the Roman emperor from the 2nd century, famous for his meditations. These meditations reflect his Stoic philosophy, which emphasizes the pursuit of tranquility and self-reflection. The text suggests 6 nighttime practices inspired by Marcus Aurelius that can be applied in modern life. First, eliminate external stimuli. Marcus Aurelius's philosophy of withdrawing into oneself highlights the importance of disconnecting from the external world to find peace and tranquility. In the modern context, where we are constantly bombarded by external stimuli, this practice becomes even more relevant. The suggestion is to transform the nighttime routine into a period dedicated to disconnection. This involves significantly reducing activities involving external stimuli, such as social media, television, and other electronic devices, at least 30 minutes before bedtime. This technology-free time allows for a smoother transition to sleep, as the blue light from these devices can interfere with natural sleep patterns. Instead of engaging in digital interactions, the proposal is to adopt practices that promote introspection and relaxation. Meditation, whether guided or through breathing exercises, is presented as an effective way to disconnect from the external world and focus on inner serenity. This practice can help calm a restless mind, reduce stress, and create a conducive environment for quality sleep. The emphasis is on the need to redefine the nighttime routine as a period dedicated to self-care. Instead of indulging in activities that offer immediate gratification, such as watching television or browsing social media, the proposal is to adopt practices that truly nourish the mind and prepare the body for restorative rest. This contributes not only to better sleep quality, but also to building a solid foundation for facing the demands of the next day with a calmer and more centered perspective. Second, engage in physical exercise. Marcus Aurelius understood that a healthy mind was intrinsically linked to a healthy body. The Stoics recognized that exercise not only strengthened the body but also developed virtues such as perseverance, self-discipline, and self-improvement. In the modern society where sedentary lifestyles are common, regular nighttime physical activities can bring significant benefits. The suggestion is to incorporate a form of exercise into the nighttime routine, even if it's a quiet neighborhood walk or a light stretching session. Exercise releases endorphins, neurotransmitters acting as natural analgesics, promoting feelings of well-being and happiness. Additionally, it contributes to reducing cortisol levels, the stress hormone, aiding in the management of daily stress. When practicing evening exercises, it's essential to consider activities that don't cause extreme agitation, as the goal is to prepare the body for a more relaxed state before sleep. Regular nighttime exercise may even improve sleep quality, promoting a deeper and more restful rest. A specific suggestion is to take an evening walk, providing not only the physical benefits of exercise but also an opportunity for contemplation. While walking, one can appreciate the quietude of the night, observe the beauty of the surroundings, and allow the mind to disconnect from daily concerns. Another option is to dedicate a few minutes to stretching exercises or yoga, focusing on releasing accumulated tension throughout the day. These practices not only strengthen the body but also promote body awareness and mind-body connection, aligning with Stoic principles of self-awareness and self-mastery. By incorporating exercise into the nighttime routine, a healthy habit is established that contributes not only to physical health but also to mental balance. This moment dedicated to the body is not just a Stoic practice, but a holistic approach to promoting overall well-being, Third, review your day. The practice of reviewing the day, central to Stoic philosophy, takes center stage in the context of the nighttime routine inspired by Marcus Aurelius. This practice involves deep self-reflection with the aim of gaining clarity about the actions taken, emotions experienced, and decisions made throughout the day. By setting aside a moment at night to review the day, a deeper understanding of oneself is sought. The proposal is that, by looking back, one can identify behavioral patterns, assess the effectiveness of choices made, and learn from daily experiences. This is not an exercise in harsh self-criticism, but an opportunity for personal growth. The day's review can start from the moment of waking up. Considering how the morning began, the interactions throughout the day, the challenges faced, and emotional responses to those challenges are essential parts of this process. When scrutinizing the decisions made, one can question whether they acted in accordance with their principles and values. The intention is not just to observe external actions, but also to explore the internal motivations behind them. This introspection promotes greater awareness of how choices influence well-being and quality of life. Reviewing the day can be facilitated by journaling. Recording thoughts, feelings, achievements, and challenges provides tangible documentation of the daily journey. Additionally, the practice of writing allows for a more objective and structured analysis of the day. By adopting this nighttime practice, the goal is not only to recall events, but to understand how these events shape the personal journey. Guiding questions may include: what went well today? How did I deal with challenges? Were there moments when my actions were not aligned with my values? What lessons can I extract from today's experiences? This review is not an exercise in self-punishment, but a means of continuous personal development. The purpose is to cultivate self-awareness, identify areas for improvement, and set goals for future growth. Rooted in Stoic philosophy, this practice promotes authenticity, personal responsibility, and a constant pursuit of a more virtuous and meaningful life. I hope you enjoyed it. Leave a like, subscribe for more content, and let's make this community a place of learning. Watch part 2 now. The link will be fixed in the comments. Thank you for being part of Wisdom for Our Days channel. And see you in the next video.